Welcome back to Overheat. Potential Winnebago Motorhome features, potentially important features, green technology. As environmental consciousness grows, Winnebago is probably going to provide hybrid or perhaps electric powertrain options. A more sophisticated and effective solar power system to lessen the need for generators. Smart technology and connectivity. An advanced infotainment system with voice control and complete smartphone connection. Features of a smart house include mobile app controls for the temperature, lighting, and security. Internet access at 5G or higher for on-the-go work or play. Driver assistance and safety, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking are examples of advanced driver assistance systems ADAS. Parking and maneuvering are made easier with a 360-degree camera system, cybersecurity measures to prevent hackers from accessing the car's electronic systems. Adaptable and opulent interior design. Adaptable interior design to optimize comfort and space. Opulent finishes and premium materials to produce a cozy atmosphere. Modern kitchen appliances and a bathroom that is completely furnished. Improved outdoor elements, a more robust, bigger automatic awning. A TV screen and sound system are features of this outdoor recreational space. Increasing amounts of easily accessible outdoor equipment storage space. Improved drivetrain, a more sophisticated automated gearbox. To improve ride comfort, the suspension system was upgraded. Other fascinating features, advanced water management system. To increase off-grid time, a more effective gray water recycling system is needed. Water quality and levels are tracked using smart sensors to guarantee clean and safe drinking water. An integrated water filtration system is used. Integration of artificial intelligence AI assistants that can assist with route planning, campground discovery, and information sharing about nearby attractions.